I need one more.
Lou, one more. Hello, Lou,
Careful,
one more.
Lou. Our fort is fragile. I'm so glad you're here. Look at this fort we're building.
Yes, hello. And I'm building the highest tower in the whole world.
Awesome. Hey! Lou, watch out!
Lou, watch out!
Whew, that was close.
Oh, doopy loopy poopy pants. Hang on, I'll help you put the wall back up.
It's ruined.
Lou, help too.
Lou has the hiccups.
No, Lou! Stop! Oh no, I don't believe it!
We can't keep building like this. Lou's got to stop hiccuping. Now what do we have here? Keep nice and still, Lou.
If he's hanging about, a hiccup comes out.
Hey, why don't you try running in place?
Even when he runs, a hiccup still comes.
Curl up into a tiny little ball.
Oh no.
And now stretch yourself really tall.
He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all.
Yes, I know just what's wrong with him. It's a typical case of the hiccups. Wouldn't you agree? See if you can spot them this time.
He hangs about, hiccups come out. When he runs, hiccups still come. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all.
Sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4.
He hangs about, hiccups come out. When he runs, hiccups still come. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all.
Go, hiccup.
But how? There must be a way to get rid of these pesky hiccups. The hiccups start inside your belly and go up.
Sure. That's why it's called a hic-up.
Lou, can you do a headstand?
Lou head?
Huh?
If Lou stands on his head, his hiccups will go to his legs instead.
That'll keep them from coming out. Come on, Lou, I'll help you.
I think we actually did it.
Oh!
Those naughty hiccups just won't give up.
And what if...
What if?
What if we spin them out of him?
Spin?
No hiccup can survive being spun around.
Spin, spin, spin.
1, 2, 3! Oh,
I don't hear anything.
neither do I. The hiccups have gone away. Hooray!
But Lou's gone too.
Where did he go? Lou, where are you?
I bet he flew out the door. Come on, let's find him.
Well, well, what have we got here?
Oh.
It's Ludwig. Ludwig with the hiccups. Hello, Ludwig. Wait. Hold on. This is how you get rid of the hiccups.
Huh?
Come on, jump with me. Jump!
Huh? Jump?
Jump! Jump!
Jump!
Let's go.
1, 2, 4. Jump! 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 Jump!
Jump!
Jump!
Jump!
Jump!
Jump!
Jump!
Jump! Jump!
Jump! Jump! Jump!
Hey, Ludwig! Where are you going?
Jump! Jump! Jump!
Hello, Scotty.
Have you seen Ludwig?
Jump!
Ludwig? Well, he flew over to the pond.
Jump!
The pond?
Yes.
Jump!
Yes. To the pond.
Jump! Jump! Jump!
That was Lou. Quick!
Bye, Scotty.
Bye-bye.
La mia povera testa!
Poor Ruzo.
Lou! There you are!
Hello, Caruso.
Naya! Joe!
Ciao, Yo! Ciao, Naya!
Hello, Caruso.
Ludwig mi è caduto sulla testa!
He landed right on your head?
Sì!
He landed on my head.
Improvvisamente è spugato dalle nuvole! Pui! Mi è piombato direttamente in testa!
On my head.
Ai! E sarai anche stato in grado di prendere Ludwig!
Yes. You mean you were able to catch Lou?
Sì!
I catch Lou.
You're one lucky little beetle.
Luck!
Caruso? You can put me down now.
Lou has the hiccups.
Sì, sì! Lo sento! Lu ha il singhiozzo!
The hiccups.
Hic! 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 Hup!
Wow! What a great jump!
It was nice, but we've got to get rid of Lou's hiccups. We've tried everything. Come on, Let's show Caruso how stubborn these silly hiccups are.
Mm-hmm. 1, 3, 4.
He hangs about. Hiccups come out. When he runs, hiccups still come. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all. He curls up small and stretches tall, but can't get rid of them at all.
Sì, Hic, c'è solo un rimedio. Esercizi di canto.
What? Huh?
Huh?
Ludwig, cantare. La 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 la.
Sing.
You think that will help his hiccups? But we sang already.
Sì, no, intendo dire speciali esercizi di canto. State attenti. A, U, E.
You think that gets rid of hiccups?
Caruso, never. Hiccups.
We'll give it a try. And you'll sing too, right? That sounds cool.
Benissimo. Ancora. U. Perfetto. Ancora. Bene. Bama.
Bama.
Ancora. Bama voco.
Bamavogo.
Bama voco. Sinipi.
Bamavogo sinipi.
Fantastico! Ancora una volta! Bama voco sinipi.
Bamavogo sinipi. Hello, hiccups. Leave me be.
Bamavogo sinipi.
It's our hiccups be done and gone melody. Great! Let's sing it together. Bamavogo sinipi. Hello, hiccups, leave me be. Bamavogo sinipi. Our hiccups be done and gone melody. Bamavogo sinipi. Hello, hiccups, leave me be. Bamavogo sinipi. Our hiccups be done and gone melody.
Vogo sinipi. Sinipi. Me.
Oh no, that didn't work either.
Non è possibile!
Oh no! Mis nueces! Mis nueces!
Hang on, Carmen. We'll get them for you.
Maybe Carmen knows a way to get rid of hiccups.
Cups!
Thank you, Caruso. See you soon.
Soon!
Arrivederci! E buona fortuna!
Mis nueces!
Here you go.
Here, go.
Ay, pobre Ludwig. Así que tienes hipo.
Poor Lou.
Yeah, these hiccups are pretty stubborn. We've tried everything.
Pero eso no es ningún problema.
No problem.
Vamos, así le haremos desaparecer el hipo.
We'll dance those hiccups away.
¡Todos juntos! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Hiccups be gone. Hiccups be gone.
Hey do day do day. Hey do day do day. Ole!
Can dancing stop the
Olé!
hiccups?
I don't see why not. Come on, let's do it too.
Hecho.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Are you ready too? Yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Hiccups be gone. Hiccups be gone. Day a day a day. Day a day a day.
Muy bien.
Yeah, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Hiccups be gone. Hiccups be gone. Day a day a day. Day a day a day. Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Stamp, stamp, toe and heel. Hiccups be gone. Hiccups be gone. Day a day a day. Day a day a day. Olé!
¡Ole! El hipo se...
Your hiccups are?
Hey do they do, hey do they do.
Not again. Oh no.
Pues hay todavía una posibilidad. Asustar. ¡Bú!
Boo! Yes! We'll scare him.
We'll scare the hiccups right out of him.
And I know just what to do.
Nut! Nut, come too! Bye, Carmen, and thanks for your help.
¡Adiós! Y mucha suerte.
Lou, Nut. Oh. Oh. Lou, come! No, not yet!
You know, this will be the scariest mask any baby beetle has ever seen. Wait, Lou, you can't look yet.
Oh. Oh. Huh? Yeah, that's really scary. Now we just need to add a mouth and spiky teeth.
Hang on. Where did I put those spiky teeth I drew?
I just saw them right here. They must be somewhere near. Lou, you were supposed to wait.
I don't believe it.
It doesn't matter. We'll just draw some new teeth.
But they were so scary and spiky. What's so funny about it?
You were supposed to be scared, Ludwig. Joe, tooth caboose. Joe, look.
That's where the teeth went.
Do you hear that?
I don't hear anything.
Exactly. That's what I mean. It's all quiet. Ludwig, are you cured? Cured! Yeah! Yippee!
Lou laughed his hiccups away.
Hicks away! Go soft and low. Give a belly laugh. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Tell those hiccups, hey, don't you know? Hit the road. Goodbye. It's time to go. Giggle soft and low. Give a belly laugh. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Tell those hiccups, hey, don't you know? Hit the road. Goodbye. It's time to go.
Hey, now we can finally rebuild our fort.
Fort!
Now, all we need is the roof. Jiminy Cricket, this fort will never finish it.
Looks like Joe caught the hiccups. At least now we know how to get rid of them.
Yeah, I don't want the hiccups. Sing along. 1, 2,
Giggle soft and low. Give a belly laugh. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Tell those hiccups, hey, don't you know? Hit the road. Goodbye. It's time to go. Giggle soft and low. Give a belly laugh. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Tell those hiccups, hey, don't you know? Hit the road. Goodbye. It's time to go.
my hiccups are gone.
Great. And now it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. We'll see you next time. Oops.
Yeah.
Brilliant.